Hey everyone, Carlo here. Welcome to the vlog. This is the channel where we talk about sneakers, life, and tech. And for this episode, I have this Adidas package that I kind of forgot what inside. So I think I ordered this a couple of weeks ago, and it's been sitting in my living room floor for the last few weeks. And maybe it's time that we finally unbox and find out what is inside this box. Let's go. By the way, if you want to show this channel some love, all you have to do is to give it a thumbs up, leave a comment down below on what you think about the sneaker inside this box, and also don't forget that we're giving away the undefeated Starbucks tumbler. So all you have to do is to subscribe to the channel, follow me on Instagram, and then click the link in the description box for the rest of the mechanics of the giveaway. Good luck! Now, before we get to the main event, which is of course the Adidas package, I just want to do a quick unboxing of this Funko Pop that I recently bought. So this is from Carl Wee. He's actually my office mate where I work. To those who don't know, yes, I have a day job. And I bought this Funko Pop from him. Now, if you probably haven't noticed, my background has a lot of Dragon Ball Funko Pops, and that's the only line that I actually collect. Well, that and One Punch Man. But this one is just something that I couldn't resist. This is the John Wick Funko Pop, which is the limited chase edition. So it's like a limited edition version of the John Wick Funko Pop. And yeah, it just looks really kick-ass with the blood splatters all over, with the bullet holes at the back, and the bloodied John Wick figure inside with his pistol. So I just couldn't resist picking it up. And this is like the deviant Funko Pop in my collection because everything else is either Dragon Ball or One Punch Man. But yeah, thanks Carl for the great deal. Appreciate you, bro. Keep on doing a great job. And with that said, let's get to the main event, which is the unboxing of whatever this is, because I honestly have forgotten what this sneaker is. It can be a Yeezy, but I don't think I bought a Yeezy recently. It can be one of those 4Ds. I think I remember liking one of those all black 4Ds that recently came out, or maybe it might be even an Ultra Boost. So we will find out together what this shoe is. Yeah. Yep, it's 4D. This is the 4D Run 1.0, and it says over there here Adidas 4D. And to those who aren't familiar with the 4D technology, it's like 4D printed midsole that's supposedly made to give you the best support possible based on scientific analysis of how people move their feet. So yeah, now let's pop this box open and take a look at what shoe this is, because I really... Oh, now I remember. Oh, wow. Ba-bam. Okay, so now I remember what this sneaker is. I saw the 4D Run 1.0 on the Adidas website a couple of weeks back, and they had it in white and in black. And this one was something that I couldn't, let pass me, because I've never had an all-black 4D midsole sneaker before. And that's the reason why I copped this when it came out, well, a couple of weeks back during the lockdown. And yeah, let's quickly go over the shoe. So as you guys can see, you have this 4D black midsole over here. Man, it looks really kick-ass in black compared to the typical white ones that we see. You have this breathable upper, and then you have the 3 stripes alongside the sides of the shoe. You have a gold Adidas emblem at the tongue tab, same here at the back, Adidas in gold, and you have this really funky outsole over here with a great traction pattern that should help out. Now, in terms of the 4D sneakers, the Run 1.0 is really meant for performance, and I did an on-feet review before of a different colorway of this, and I really felt that it was one of the more comfortable 4D sneakers that have come out from Adidas in the last few years. And what we'll do now is I'll actually put this sneaker on feet, and I'll let you guys know how I feel about it. Now, in terms of on feet, I'll give you guys 3 observations based on my experience with the sneaker. The first one is that it is more stable due to 2 things, I think. Number 1, it's the wider base. So if you take a look at the midsole, it is slightly wider than the upper of the shoe, giving you more support all around your feet. And the second thing is the way that it's shaped. I think that rocker vibe over here, I mean, it's curved upwards towards the end, curved outwards a bit at the back, gives it better, like a smoother movement flow if you are walking or if you are running with the sneaker. Now, in terms of cushioning and comfort, Boost is still number one by far. The 4D really isn't all about that soft stride that you get with the Boost material, with the Ultra Boost, or the Pure Boost, or even the Alpha Boost, or whatever Boost-equipped sneaker that you have. However, I do feel that compared to previous iterations of 4D, Adidas, through the years, through the years, has fine-tuned the composition of the 4D midsole over here so that it does perform better compared to previous iterations. The previous 4Ds felt like your typical foam, and I really didn't feel the difference compared to your EVA foam shoes. They just look more kick-ass. But for this particular shoe, you can feel the adjustments and the upgrades compared to previous 4D. So if you've been waiting for a 4D that's more comfortable, this is the one that you pick up. And my third observation about it, more than an observation, I think it's like a call because I haven't worn it a lot yet, but maybe the black 4D midsole over here will hide dirt better, because if this was white or in the mint green color that it usually comes in, it's kind of hard to remove the dirt, as you guys can imagine, because you can actually punch through the holes of the 4D midsole. So hopefully this should hide the dirt better. If you want to pick up your own Adidas 4D sneakers, what I'll do is I'll link down below to if this is still available. If not, a link to whatever 4D shoe I can find that you guys can buy here in the Philippines. And yeah, that actually wraps up our quick unboxing vlog for the day. I hope you guys are doing fine. I hope you're all safe. Let me just take this opportunity to remind you once again that COVID cases have been going up, and it would be very wise for you, all of us, if we always go out with a face mask, if we always sanitize our hands, and if we always practice social distancing. As I keep saying, guys, COVID is still there. Regardless if the quarantine loses ends up and relaxes, the virus, the pandemic is still very much active. So always remember, protect yourself so that you can protect your family and that you can protect your loved ones. And with that said, this is Carlo. I hope you guys enjoyed this very quick video for today. And as usual, peace, God bless, what's up, boom.